Fuori la dance! Massive, stay ready! Dai tutte per Zacina! Ok, chas!
Yo! People! We finished the first round with a tribute. We will start the second round with a tribute too. This is Gregory Isaacs in a sound killing style. Hey! Start the sound clash quick! I also will start the sound clash. Gregory!
Cause there is nothing at all that he can do.
Nothing at all. They tried hard. Give them a round of applause for the first round. Give them a round of applause. They tried hard. But there's nothing they can do to save themselves from the killing tonight. They played a Robert Lee tune saying that we cannot find him or what? Alright. Far East Rhythm. Everybody knows that we have the Robert Lee on the Far East Rhythm, alright? Play it quickly. Run it. That plate style, counteraction. Cause we crown king. Yeah. When we come a dance hall, we know fi execute. Yes, people. Put where a sound boy, I'm telling you the truth will. I have to tell you, I was very disappointed with Million Vibes, the so-called big sound. I think they didn't have any vibes at all. Why the fuck do they call themselves Million Vibes? They don't have even 1,000 vibes or 100 vibes. I have a new name for this sound. I think it fits them much better. I would call them Zero Vibes. If you agree with me, give me some signal like this. Zero Vibes, a new name for them. Okay, Zero Vibes. Is a dancehall style. Errol Dunkley. And Peeny Wally sound. The man is Zero Vibes. It's a murderation sound. Yes. Peeny Wally kills sound in every way. Errol Dunkley. Peeny Wally murder sound. We are the killer. Every way. And I know why. Let's stay in the Studio One segment because the Studio One is the foundation of reggae music. Go! Beanie wanna kill a sound with a dub plate to alright, Silver Tunes. All idiot sound after I leave this place. Big tune time. Don't be like the night when it's dark. And so we have started that playthrough. Beanie wanna sound Silver Tunes. Rest to your heart. Alright. Yes, people, this is King Calabash and Sister Carmen. Because we have to support the Czech reggae music too. Carmen. Big up United Flavor. What a pity. Why you are not my cat. Big up Gamalistic because a long time we must support the Czech reggae music. This is King Calabash and Carmen. What a pity. What a pity, Zero Vibes. The sound clash starts, and we are in the right mood. We have the right mood.
I'm in the mood to kill a sound. Beanie Wally, come, let's throw one down. Give me the rhythm, cause I've got a feeling. Remember,
we don't waste time.
Wally said, sunlight gonna shine bright. Oh, sound boy,
yes, people. Where we are gonna do?
Yes, Beanie Wally tear off the roof from over the red.
Mighty Diamond.
Beanie tear off the roof.
Yes, yes.
From over the red.
When me was a youth, me granny with me and me skin it woulda catch a fire.
Boom. This is Ray Darwin. And the sound clash, it's all about the people's choice. Because you people are the judges tonight. You have to choose the winner. Choose it fair and square. No bias thing. Don't be prejudiced. Just fair. People's choice.
The people's choice.
Big up yourself, see us at Judgment Yard.
Studio One style, Studio One fashion. This is Sizzla Kalonji.
My Beanie Wally sound.
Listen, listen, listen.
Hey, Babylon, listen from near and far. Hey, don't even ask them
Pull it up. Pull. Yes, people. How are you feeling? Give me some signal if you love the vibes. Yeah. Say what is. What is. Yo. Zero vibes. What is tonight? What is in the dance? You know that. Run the tune again.
Big up yourself, Sister Andrew.
Sister, go on.
I been you all this Sister. Hey, Babylon, no listen from near and far. Hey, don't even ask them what them searching for. Still them can't hold the youths, them with no house or car. You Ethiopia.
Alright, let me start dropping the bombs quickly in the first round. This is a special thing. No sound in the world can play this. Run it. Let me teach you something. Yes, Zero Vice, we are going to teach you something tonight. Listen good.
Sound boy, come to Peony Wall School. Make we teach you
John
sound boy, you better know yourself. Peony Wall, you put you on the shelf. We are sending you a burial camp.
To Ocean, you know.
We are sending you a burial camp.
We are sending you there.
Peony Wall,
but John he's not alone. Listen who there.
But I don't love Peony Wall, the sound and make my sound one.
Junior Cat, John Old combination style. Hey, put up your hand like this. Hey.
Killing a pussy and we
kill them before. Pull it up. Yeah.
Always no tinkle a bam bam, grand slam. Have mercy.
You know it's some clash originally they had wheat. Sister Nancy.
I say one thing up in the wall, he can't understand.
Hey.
Can't understand. One record them a talk about him ambition.
You have to be creative, you have to cut the dub plates in an unusual way. This is Sister Nancy. Oh, where we get it from? We have it in our brain, you know. You have to be creative, you have to be original. Not like 1 million other sound, you know. Yeah.
Automatic piston remote controller. Re-automatic piston remote controller. Company want the sound come to rock your solar. Re-automatic piston send a one.
Long range.
It must be a idiot with the compact and then leave it up in a dove cat. Boom! Come on, me send the dove cat to the chopper. Jamaica till you send the chopper.
Yes, people. He asked you and he asked us if we know how this clash is named. It's named What Is in the Dance. We know that, of course we know that. Play the tune.
War is in the clash.
War is tonight. War is counteraction. Say war is
in the clash.
Yes, Frankie Powell. We are counteract the tune, you know, from early. In the dance. Frankie dance out Paul there.
Is it? Sound white dead.
The Jamaican Stevie Wonder. Once again. Rubber up style. Still Studio One.
Check it out.
Hot milk rhythm.
Fire there sound white. If them think a cool breeze.
A fire in here tonight.
Coco man throw down a dump and sound. Try test the champion with the Peony Wall sound.
Next.
100 bucks a day.
When we
yes.
were wild and full of fire, the sound within our teen was full of challenge and desire. We went to
yes, people, how are you feeling? If you're enjoying the vibes, give me some signal like this. If you love the vibes, if you love the sound clash so far, give me some signal.
Oh, you ready now? Sound boy.
Yes, people. Robert Lee again.
But I say come now, sound boy.
Don't linger.
Come now,
yeah.
Sound you ready?
Boom.
Come now, Peony Wally sound and ninja. Come now, to do the definitely.
Yes, we are getting the black belt
listen
tonight.
Me good and listen me well.
Yeah.
Sound boy.
Robert Lee.
Cause it's only once and you I got tell. Hey.
Yeah, yeah.
Coca man ain't got no room to carry no false.
Zero vibes. No. You have to try better than that.
Just
you know. This is Cross Club.
So come now. Soundboy don't linger.
It's not easy. You may think we are some small sounds from Prague, you know, Czech Republic, but we are special and we are original. Run the tune.
Ninja with ninja.
No compromise.
Ninja with ninja.
Hey, hey,
anyone
hey,
in the area.
Hey, run it.
As a ninja with ninja with ninja. Lord and dangerous.
Count the melody.
Ninja with ninja with ninja. Anyone is serious.
Serious.
Your name Rambo.
No joke thing.
On the show.
Yes.
Yes, on the show like Penny Wally Sam.
Hey, hey,
and
hey.
if I you name Van Damme, in a bad like me, yeah.
And if I you name Zero Vibes,
in a chop like Penny Wally.
Next tune.
Woo, yeah. Oh, yeah. Soundboy. Die.
Yes, people. Who there? What am I gonna do? Dying time.
Beanie Wally sound. I go murder you, jump on tonight.
If I lose a clash, we have to win.
Chuck Fender.
We tell some sound boy them no feel walla in a sin. Never lose a clash, we have to win.
We have to win tonight, yeah. That's right.
Up there, Rip Clados, keep your head up.
Yeah, yeah.
Fire where we are on the whole world that gets red.
Chuck Fender.
Done some little sound, you know we can't say we fed up.
Yes,
the
people.
place I feel lively, it can't.
When we play Chuck Fender, we don't play only one Chuck Fender. Because Chuck Fender is a wicked singer. We will play one more Chuck Fender, and this time it's not gonna be some regular Chuck Fender. Play the original Chuck Fender right now. Right.
Give it up!
You know the tune, but you know it in a different way, so listen to it. Chuck Fender.
Give it up! A sound boy like you, rape off a 6-year-old baby.
Hey, hey, hey!
A little sound boy like you, pop off your gun and put 9 points.
There you are, good tonight.
A little sound boy like you, burn down a school and a go on like you're mad, sick and crazy.
You mad?
Really wally hold you, no if nah, no but no bother tell Rip Clambo. Make we just stay my line, yeah. From the negative sound when them a ring, just stay my line, yeah. Mash up or rig up them senseless killing.
Yes! One more tune on the rhythm. One of the wickedest singers from Jamaica right now. Big talent, listen.
This is a serious time, son boy, you're gonna die.
Hey, Romero.
Every time.
Yes.
Oh, Beanie Wally kill them when rain or fall. Them no see so we no
We are kill them when sunshine.
We kill them all when sun a shine.
Like today.
Oh,
yes, we go.
Hey, you no see it, you no see how Beanie Wally. Hey, I kill some boy out the street. Oh, where Andrew get him dump them from? Nobody know. Him born as a killer.
Yes.
Oh yes, I see him, so him grow.
Alright, let me play one more tune.
You can't defeat when Beanie Wally on the streets.
Them can't do it.
Defeat. Hey,
yes.
Because I'll be a big tune a beat.
Run it.
Ooh, well.
Some special tune again. This is original Czech production. Big up.
While he give them a seed about
Gasket.
Another sound boy kick the bucket.
Lucia. This
This
is Czech rhythm and Jamaican singer. I also, we are playing a special tune tonight.
Another sound boy kick the bucket. Them come and dance.
You have to be original. You have to create your own identity as a sound with your dub plays. This is Luciano from the Czech rhythm. Big up Coco Jam in production anyway.
He wants something from some boy a ball. They got
Luciano.
The plates of fly.
Yeah, just like
a guillotine. Some boys are wondering if they live to see a morning.
Alright.
While he give them a seed about casket.
Let's go back to the studio one.
It's now them playing me.
This is Kenny Nuts. He will tell you something more about us.
Watch up in the wall, the sound playing.
Watch it.
Listen to the wall, the sound playing. Now the dance. Down in the dance. Come on now.
Yes. Boris in a dance sound clash. Tohle bylo první kolo podání Peeny Wally. Ale it's only the first half of the first round. The second half is here for this sound called Million Vibes.
To byla první část jenom tohohle druhého kola a teďka přicházejí na řadu Million Vibes.
Million Vibes, time.
Yes. Are you feeling proud? Hey! Yes. Finally, it's my time to tell these people how we're gonna do Sound Clash tonight. Prague people, are you with me to Sound Clash tonight? Yes. I have a little thing to say. You say you have John Holt up Park Camp and say it's original and nobody can play that. My God, you know you need to go outside Czech Republic, and that's why them call in Big Sound from International Sound. Cause you know say Million Vibes me go tell them what go on tonight.
Now it's the international time of the night.
Paris Hammer!
Featuring a sound called Million Vibes.
Paris Hammer!
Big up man like Eric, man like Skinny, Skyscraper, Christopher, Soul Rebel, for all the rest of the bands.
Introduction tune.
Yeah.
Million Vibes,
please play Million Vibes, please play Million Vibes, please play now.
Yes, people. You know, they tried to play Sisla. I just say, that's your burial ground for sure. Listen to Sisla tune. Everybody who likes Sisla in Prague, make me hear some noise now, people. Listen to tune. Listen.
There is no other like time, the world is another guide. This sound Million Vibes, jump on sound, we must kill you now. Million Vibes come along down the town.
Yo, tonight, we're gonna drop a big tune.
And we know Caesar Calangina and we're
Sis Laggett, listen. Give me the gun finger.
Jump on that, when the play.
Gun finger in the ear. Listen, point it, gun finger, point it. Big 50 caliber bust up them over there.
Put them now, worry not the good over there.
Yo, listen. Front people, come.
Alright then. And this is our main Virgo standing on the floor.
Yo.
Vibes kill sound boy for sure.
Listen, Peter Wally, this ain't no black lad 45 round. No, listen.
One leap of money now we pocket and dubs we play.
Some boy them about for mercy. War time.
Million Vibes drop for the night.
Everybody want to hear a big tune now. Listen. Again! Are you feeling proud? Barrington Levy, one of the biggest artists, biggest tune in the whole dancehall history. Yo! Hey! The number the tell me to count. They go listen Million Vibes, that's a kill some sound. Who we should have Rap-a-pam-pam, something don't hold that sound. And it's okay. Rap-a-pam-pam, gangsta we don't hold that sound. And it's on test. Why you think that's the couple? Yes, people. Now the next tune. Everybody off you listen. Listen to tune, Kinley.
Presenting the big baddest song, Million Vibes song. Right now, every song I got dead when them people play it. You see me? I say.
Listen, everybody listen now. They come up around to kill Peter Wally tonight. Listen to tune in. Hey! Anyway, we go with the around and we are them down. Get the sound boy, we bring the sound descender. Yo! We are champion, we not in a contender. The sound test, they don't play them, we send for club play, chop them up like a blender. But that's how we kill Million Vibes, can't remember. Kill them and not hear we my black tune, listen! What the big tune then? We're gonna bring the big gun for you. Are you gonna dive in? Listen.
the question. How when the bumper clad do you? Where your million vibes come to slaughter you? Out the lost every single part of you. I'm from a by my dog, my only thought of you. Made up a sing, shooby-dooby-doo-be-doo. Sound boy, watch ya. Name Scooby-Doo. And if I pussy this way, you figure shoot the crew. So I got dead right now.
Alright. I want to come the gun, but you're in a cover when I bullet cross. I shot down like shot. Shot about your face, but I will land up with a camera that you should meant for life. I told you, dude, don't come in my sister case. And I go tell you again, this is the day when P Wally are gonna lose them lives. Listen to you.
Come stay so. Belly, well, them don't say some kind of sound, you know, from Sweden.
Everybody in Prague know reggae music to the fullest. Listen to you keenly. Listen.
Get them.
Bye bye. We not care.
Who's fault? No one but themselves. Test million fans and I met them a mess. Beyond the human reasoning, joy mixed with pain. Dub plate, chop out, jump and rain.
Right about now, I'm gonna give you some original Sound Clash feeling. Listen to tune now.
Hey.
Listen. Listen how they're afraid. Look on their face. They're afraid tonight. I'm telling you. Listen to the tune.
I would like to see your face on God. I will a million vibes that
touch you out, shut you out.
You're the scar out, back out. I would like to see your face on God.
Yo,
a million vibes.
You know, say in the first when we want.
Million vibes, you do it every time.
You know, say the first when we want to book this clash, P Wally they say they don't want the clash. You know why they don't want to clash us? Listen.
You're bound to lose.
Ready one.
Sound boy.
They're ready though.
If you taste million vibes, you're bound to lose.
Yes. Next one. Yo. Yes, people. You know, say them a little sound. You know, little sound, and their mother gonna go ask them, why are you out so late? Listen.
You're bound to get the spanking.
They're gonna go slap on them back because they're out late.
Sound, you know that. And them a top ranking.
Alright.
If them would sit in as more.
Massive, but the
listen.
Massive. Hey, confident in you.
This is what's gonna happen tonight.
Vibe sound can.
We're not gonna jump around it no more. Everybody like Terrence Riley, and listen to you now.
And right now we come for kill out them bumper clot. Them do some million vibes and I
get the murder.
Kill out them every clot, yeah. And million vibes and none of them we not afraid. Kill out them bumper clot. Them should have never this and none of them get slaughtered.
Low.
Kill out them every clot.
No.
Listen.
What? Listen. Downtown.
And up here
round, you know. Yes.
Going down. Marcus prophesy.
Now, I'm gonna bring in one at the moment, the biggest dance hall artist. I'm gonna tell you how a real machine gun sound. Prague, are you with me tonight? Listen to Vibes Carter.
No, got it. Some of us up to the time, you know, Father Eric.
Vibes Carter. When we go and figure them. When we go and figure them. Go and figure.
Some years up to the time, you know, Father Eric. Them fin will say right now, some boy you get Teflon.
Listen, everybody, put the gun finger.
If you're this million, you're
can't touch me.
Long like the Golinium. Luga from Germany, me use and murder many men. Any man with barrow gun, I feel return me eagle. And the early bird, you are the worm.
Lord, right about now, you are talk all night with original thing and how you cutting. Them say just rubbish, poor fuckery thing them talk. Right about now, people, this is how you cut a real dubplate tune. This is Mighty Diamonds and Bounty Killer combination tune. Everybody listen now.
No mercy.
Ooh, yes, yeah.
Listen.
Mighty Diamonds.
Oh, yes.
Mighty Diamonds, Bounce Killer.
Million Vibes. Big song.
One to them. Sweden.
Killer jump on. Killer jump
Big song. Big song play a real dub plate.
Oh, yes.
Listen.
So nothing.
Listen.
No mercy.
No mercy.
Or a dead sound.
Done them.
A sound boy.
Make me see the lighter. Lighter.
No mercy.
No mercy.
For the dead sound.
Oh, people. Make me see that hand there. Make me see that Bounty Killer.
Million Vibes. We no mercy. Them get your upstairs.
Me tell you, blood clot tune there. Play me tune.
Million Vibes.
Assassin.
Hey, follow me now.
I know prog, you know the tune, yeah. Big reggae tune, Assassin. Listen, you know this is what's gonna happen. Listen what's gonna happen. My trophy.
Million Vibes got to win. So
I can start to know. Baby, know that you start to know.
Me hear
let the ball and a protest.
But still them life I get shorter now. Well, millionaire put in the work. Them I got down in the just them get tighter.
Yo.
Now I'm misery run the world.
Every night, we go a sound clash, we study sound clash, you know, when we come in a dance and kill sound, this is how we do it. Listen, Da Vinci. Watch out.
I don't know Javinci. I don't represent for the baddest bumbleclad sound around. I'm here say I'm million vibes, you know. I don't know who take a million lives, kick it like a ball.
Care about sound clash for sure. Everybody in the dance who care about real sound clash, make me see the hand them.
Them asking why we not care, why we not fear. Million vibes kill sound everywhere. It's just true we know each other near.
I go everywhere, kill the sound.
Million vibes every night before you sleep. You make me ask like shut the beat. Come wicked people. Oh, I roam the street. Million vibes them.
Hold it. You know, also, when you come in a dance and you go somewhere else where it's not home, you have to study people. And I know what you want to hear right about now. Listen to tune. I-Octane.
We are kill boys in the
Listen.
Take a boy.
We study people that know them long.
Million vibes.
Hey,
we
they're down from the front of the station.
Whoever got late, we give copper to a
watch out.
Because in a rate man, them boy them
what we do, P.D. Wally tonight?
I kill them tonight. Ratchet they pop off and broken at them blood clot shy. We are kill them tonight because them vibes we make them ears fly like kites.
I keep so alongside million vibes. I'm a naturally the
big tune again. We just roll them out.
Murder. Million vibes kill us all.
What we do tonight?
Million vibes sound will kill you.
That is all the dust I need.
Disrespect million vibes sound. Why you show?
Play me back. Tune again. Everybody, I know that you know that tune, yeah. We want everything for you tonight. We give it loads of tune.
Million vibes kill us all.
You say I don't have a million vibes. How many different things may play for you? I mean, I just lock you up.
That is everything they need, yo. Disrespect million vibes sound. Why you surely gonna lose your life?
Yo, listen. Watch out.
Million vibes are bad sound, enough gunny. X to the 5 drive by pan a dummy. If you have a problem,
who have the biggest gun tonight? Who have the biggest gun?
Pull it in a belly, make you push your buggy. Million vibes are bar with the guy, you move too foggy. Never let go, them ever fall like Scooby-Doo and Shaggy. So tell a pussy jump, keep a up your baggy. Then rise up, pick her down. Copper make more skin turn.
121, yeah.
Jump on for no.
Yo.
Million vibes, a sound about a done.
They go everywhere, kill the sound.
About a million.
2 weeks, me go to Germany.
Million vibes, yeah. The girls I'm loving for true.
You know them play back all a whole tune in the 45.
Hey,
if you can't clash me then, you can't clash me now.
Million vibes are the champion. So you know you can't clash me now, you can't clash me later. Cause you dub them off to be greater. And tonight you are gonna meet your maker, the maker. Sound boy, you can't clash me now, you can't clash me later. Cause million vibes much greater. We burn all bad mind and hater.
Listen.
Well, this is the original Million Vibes. I don't know when I take back top and listen and shut out them art. You don't know, say, yo, this is the original General. I don't know, say, look at the big thing, road boy. Seeing part, this is the original Million Vibes, and I don't know what the rampant people. You see me, I say,
people.
Yeah, man, kill them.
Ready to stomp it.
Like Sylvester Stallone.
Ready to stomp it.
Rastafari.
Big tune.
Cut and clear.
What we doing tonight?
Million. Kill them all and come back alone.
General TK.
Stallone million. Kill them all and come back alone.
Look. Them play Ninja, but them can't find tune like this. This is the biggest black lad, Don Gargan, Ninja Man Pon, Blue Steel. Ready, man?
Yeah, look like the third party. But you never know. Let me tell you something, sound boy. And this is how we move, you know.
Listen, they can't find no tune.
So you can play the last W. Have to jump and tonight you know you are gonna lose your life.
You gonna lose your life.
And if you test Million Vibes and other dances, I jump and me say me know you are go dead tonight. But don't forget who is the ruling sound and who is gone.
This is the last tune from Million Vibes this round.
A Million Vibes sound where I'm dancing.
Everybody listen.
Party.
Hey,
jump and jump and listen to the we put in the dead.
Is. Tohle byly Million Vibes.
Ano 100, ano 1000, a Million Vibes this. Woj!
OK, Viděli jsme tu první kolo, viděli jsme tu dva silný soundy. I třeba si zalhávat. Je to velký večer. A teď jste tady vy. Poprosím tamhle světla, aby trošku prozářila sál. A já po vás chci jednu věc. Jestli jste zvolili vítězem tohohle kola Peeny Wally. If you vote for Peeny Wally, put both your hand in the air. Both your hand. OK. A ten, kdo hlasuje pro Million Vibes, who vote for Million Vibes, put your hand in the air. OK, clear. Million Vibes, you take the point.
Tohle je jejich kolo a my jdeme na další kolo, to je druhý dubplateový kolo, třetí kolo tohohle kleše.
This is the third round, another dubplate round. Peeny Wally, you ready? Okay. So I put 0 on my mighty watch and I tell you time.
Ready, we ready.
Sorry, there's some minor technical problems. Sorry, Peeny Wally. Of course. The time is stopped. We just resolved these technical problems, jenom se tady trošku potýkáme s menším technickým problémem. Můžeme mezi tím dát big ups to all the crews that came. Every one of you, enough respect, big up. Zdravíme svýho kolegu z rádia, DJ Káju. Big up Damalistic, big up Telka, big up Radio Rastafari. Ale tady už přichází třetí kolo pro Peeny Wally.